Every business owner you talk to right now is thinking about AI agents. They are reading the headlines, they hear what their competitors are doing, and most of them have no idea how to actually get one running in their business. That gap right there, that is your opportunity. And InstantlyClaw is the tool that lets you walk into that conversation already holding the answer. Hey, I am Paul James. If you are new here, welcome. I cover free and low-cost AI tools for freelancers and small business owners. Not the overpriced platforms, the real ones. The tools that hand regular people the kind of leverage that used to require a big budget. Back in my brother's garage, building something from nothing, the obstacle was never drive. It was access. Today, that access looks completely different. And the tool I'm covering right now is a big part of why. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. Here is the thing most people still do not fully understand. An AI agent is not a chatbot, and that distinction matters more than almost anything else I could say in this video. A chatbot answers questions. An agent takes action. Think about it this way. A chatbot is like calling a company and reaching a recording that reads the menu to you. You ask a question, you get information back, that is it. An AI agent is the actual employee on the other end. It picks up, it books your appointment, it updates your customer record in the system, it sends the confirmation email, it flags the account for a follow-up call. All of that happens automatically before you are even done explaining what you need. One gives you information, the other gets things done in the real world. And look, businesses are already paying serious money for this. Dental practices are spending $800 to $2,000 a month on outreach automation. Law firms are paying $3,000 a month for AI research tools. Medical offices drop $2,000 every month just to automate their front desk. The demand is not coming sometime in the future. It is sitting right here, writing checks, waiting for someone to deliver. That someone can be you, but only if you can actually get a system deployed. Here is where it gets complicated. The platforms behind these agent systems have always been brutally difficult to set up. OpenClaw is one of the hottest open source AI projects of this year. It has cleared over 140,000 GitHub stars. Fast Company covered it, Tom's Hardware covered it, The Register covered it. What it can do is remarkable. AI agents browse real websites, they send real emails, they manage real documents. They run full business workflows on autopilot. But getting OpenClaw running the traditional way requires Docker installation. It requires terminal commands. It requires VPS server management and hours of configuration before you see a single result. 95% of people who try to set it up never actually get it working. That is not an estimate. That is the documented failure rate. The opportunity is enormous. And the setup wall has been quietly blocking almost everyone from reaching it. OpenClaw is not the only one dealing with this problem either. Now there is NanoClaw, PicoClaw, ZeroClaw, Claude Code, and Super AGI. There are over 14 platforms doing similar things right now. Every single one requires the same painful self-hosting process. Docker, API keys, terminal knowledge, hours you do not have. The potential keeps growing. The barrier stays exactly where it is. Most people never realize this part. The problem was never whether the technology worked. It has always worked. The problem was always the setup wall standing between you and a functioning system. And honestly, that wall is what has kept this market so open. This is what I call the 60-second agency stack. The concept is simple. You do not build your way into this market. You deploy your way in. Instead of spending days on infrastructure, you start with a fully live system. Then you focus entirely on finding the right businesses and delivering results. That is the only activity that actually generates income. The 60-second agency stack changes the sequence. Get the system live first, sell second. InstantlyClaw is what makes that sequence possible in under 60 seconds flat. InstantlyClaw is a one-click deployment layer. It sits on top of OpenClaw and over a dozen other agent platforms. You click one button. 60 seconds later, your AI company is live on cloud servers. 12 months of hosting come included in your purchase. No Docker, no terminal. No API configuration, no VPS setup. The system is online before most people finish reading page 1 of a competing platform's setup guide. That is a real shift in who can actually access this space. The link to InstantlyClaw is in the description right now. First link, here is where things get wild. When your system deploys inside InstantlyClaw, you do not land on an empty screen. You get 9 pre-built agents already organized into a working company hierarchy. A CEO agent at the top, 3 manager agents underneath, coordinating workflows, 5 worker agents handling the detailed tasks, and all 9 of them arrive loaded with 15 pre-installed skills from the start. Gmail is connected and ready. Google Docs and Sheets are live. Real web browsing is available, not simulated, actual navigation of live websites, SEO research, social media monitoring, PDF creation, webhook support, cron job scheduling for automated triggers. These are live capabilities connected to real platforms. They are not demos you configure later. They are working the second your system deploys. And your entire agent company comes pre-linked to Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord, and Slack. There is also a full web dashboard. You direct your AI workforce through whatever channel fits your actual day. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. The idea that I needed to master server infrastructure just to access the opportunity was genuinely discouraging. InstantlyClaw removes that entire layer. Now let us talk about where the money actually comes from. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The commercial rights included with InstantlyClaw cover every output your system creates. Every workflow it runs, every service it delivers, you can sell all of it and keep everything you earn. That is not a small footnote buried in the terms. That is the entire business model in 2 sentences. Picture a solo consultant connecting with a local HVAC company. That business owner manually follows up on service requests. He sends reminders by hand and chases down invoices at the end of every week. The consultant deploys a system through InstantlyClaw. She links it to the company's Gmail and the web intake form. The system now handles the full intake and follow-up process automatically. New service requests get responses in seconds. Reminders go out on schedule. The HVAC owner stops spending evenings catching up on admin. The consultant charges a flat monthly retainer. Neither of them touched a single line of code. That is the 60-second agency stack working exactly the way it is supposed to. Real client, real world, real monthly retainer, and that client renews because the results are measurable. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money. And if you want to see what my day looks like now that tools like these handle most of the heavy lifting, I have a vlog channel linked in the description below. The people moving on this now are not fighting for scraps in a crowded market. They are walking into conversations where the business owner already knows they need AI. The only real question is who they trust to deliver it. A consultant who shows up with a deployed 9-agent system is not pitching a proposal. They are running a demonstration, and demonstrations close faster than pitches every single time. That is just how it works. Here is the twist almost nobody talks about. InstantlyClaw does not lock you into one engine. As stronger open source agent platforms emerge, you deploy them through the same one-click system. Your capability grows with the technology without extra technical work. You are not betting on a single platform. You are building on a deployment layer that keeps pace with wherever this field goes next. That is a different kind of future-proofing. The businesses that need this most are not enterprise companies with full IT departments. They are local businesses and small agencies. They are solo operators and regional service companies. Think about the plumber who loses leads after hours because nobody picks up the phone. Think about the real estate agent manually texting every new inquiry one by one. These are the people already spending money on tools that only partially solve the problem. They are ready for something that works completely. InstantlyClaw gives you that. Deployed, live, ready to deliver value. $37 one time during the current launch window. The going rate for what you can deliver starts at $800 a month. Do that math. Imagine what your next 30 days look like when you stop waiting to feel technical enough. You show up with a live system that does the talking for you. The conversation changes completely. The gap between people who act now and people who wait is widening every month. Early movers get to set the terms. They get to establish themselves and build a reputation before the market catches up. That window does not stay open. The link to InstantlyClaw is in the description. First link. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training I put together for you on how I use AI tools like this one to make money.